The numbers don't lie. Toyota's 2025 Highlander Hybrid has just set a new benchmark for three-row SUVs, with an EPA-estimated 36 miles per gallon combined. That's a 15% improvement over the previous generation, and the automotive world is absolutely stunned. I've analyzed every inch of this redesigned marvel, and what I found will make you reconsider everything you thought you knew about hybrid SUVs. Stay with me because I'll reveal the groundbreaking efficiency numbers that are making competitors nervous, the one feature every family will fight over, and the surprising price point that's about to shake up the market. Trust me, the last 2 minutes of this video might just change which SUV ends up in your driveway this year. Revolutionary powertrain. Let's start with what's under the hood, because this is where Toyota has truly outdone themselves. The 2025 Highlander Hybrid introduces Toyota's next-generation hybrid system that pairs a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with dual electric motors. What does this mean in real-world terms? How about a staggering 36 miles per gallon combined? That's a 15% improvement over the previous generation and absolutely demolishes the competition. When was the last time you heard about a spacious three-row SUV that can potentially save you over $800 annually in fuel costs compared to conventional SUVs? But here's what really surprised me: the power. This isn't your stereotypical sluggish hybrid. With 300 combined horsepower and an impressive 354 pound-feet of torque, the acceleration feels more like a performance SUV than a family hauler. During my test drive, the instant electric torque delivered confident highway passing power that many gas-only competitors can't match. And speaking of capability, you're looking at 3,500 pounds of towing capacity on all models, with the Hybrid Platinum AWD pushing that to an impressive 5,000 pounds. Anyone planning summer adventures with a boat or camper will appreciate that versatility. What good is efficiency if you're constantly stopping to charge? Unlike plug-in hybrids that require dedicated charging time, the regular Highlander Hybrid's self-charging system means you'll never experience range anxiety. Simply drive normally, and the system intelligently captures energy during braking and deceleration. Redesigned exterior and interior. The moment you see the 2025 Highlander Hybrid in person, you'll notice Toyota has significantly upped their design game. This isn't just another boxy SUV. The sleeker profile with its bold front fascia featuring slim LED headlights and expanded grille gives it a premium presence that turns heads. My favorite exterior upgrade: the available 20-inch machined alloy wheels on the higher trims that strike the perfect balance between sophistication and sportiness. These aren't just for show either. Toyota engineers redesigned the aerodynamics, resulting in reduced wind noise during highway cruising. Step inside, and you're greeted by what might be the most family-friendly interior in its class. Toyota has completely reimagined the cabin with premium materials that genuinely look and feel upscale. The dashboard flows organically into the doors with ambient lighting that transforms the night driving experience. But here's where Toyota really did their homework: the small details that make daily life easier. The redesigned center console includes a wireless charging pad that actually fits modern smartphones. I tested it with the latest iPhone Pro Max, and it fit perfectly, alongside configurable storage compartments that keep your everyday items organized. Parents will celebrate the new stain-resistant fabric option on the XLE trim. I watched in amazement as spilled coffee beaded right up instead of soaking in. And let's talk about those seats. The second-row captain's chairs now feature a one-touch system that makes third-row access actually convenient, not a gymnastic exercise. Is the third row actually usable? Unlike many competitors that offer what amounts to emergency seating, I can confirm that average adults can sit comfortably in the Highlander's third row for reasonable trips. The slightly longer wheelbase provides crucial extra legroom compared to the previous generation. Technology and safety. Now for the tech that truly sets this Highlander apart. The centerpiece is Toyota's new 14-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system. This isn't just bigger, it's dramatically more responsive and intuitive than previous Toyota systems. The interface finally feels modern, with customizable widgets, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and native cloud-based navigation that actually updates in real time. During testing, the voice commands worked impressively well, even understanding natural language requests like "I'm cold" to adjust the climate control. One feature that genuinely impressed me is the new digital rear-view mirror that switches between a traditional mirror and a wide-angle camera view. This eliminates blind spots caused by headrests, passengers, or cargo, a game changer for safety-conscious families. Speaking of safety, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard across all trims, including enhanced pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control that works in stop-and-go traffic, lane keeping with road edge detection, and automatic emergency braking. The new driver attention monitor provides gentle alerts if it detects signs of drowsiness, particularly valuable on long family road trips. You might be wondering about reliability. After all, this is a significantly updated model with new technology. While I can't predict long-term durability, it's worth noting that Toyota has consistently ranked among the top manufacturers for dependability, and their hybrid systems specifically have proven remarkably trouble-free over millions of real-world miles. Driving experience and value. Let's talk about how it actually drives, because this is where many hybrids fall short. The first thing you'll notice is the remarkably smooth transition between electric and gas power. It's nearly imperceptible. The continuously variable transmission has been tuned to avoid the rubber band feeling that plagues many competitors. The steering provides surprisingly good feedback for a family SUV, and the suspension delivers that magic balance between comfort and control. Road imperfections are absorbed without creating a floaty sensation, giving drivers confidence without punishing passengers on rough roads. One feature I wasn't expecting to love is the customizable drive modes. Eco mode maximizes efficiency without feeling underpowered, while Sport mode tightens up the steering and improves throttle response for more engaging drives. There's even a new trail mode that adjusts traction control for light off-road conditions, perfect for reaching those secluded camping spots. Now for the question everyone's asking, how much will this set you back? The 2025 Highlander Hybrid starts at $38,000 for the base LE hybrid trim, just $1,500 more than the standard gas model. Given the fuel savings, that premium pays for itself in less than 2 years of average driving. The sweet spot in the lineup is probably the XLE Hybrid at around $42,000, which includes heated power seats, a power liftgate, and the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Fully loaded Platinum models approach $50,000, but even those compare favorably to luxury branded competitors with similar features. So, is the 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid truly the new standard in family SUVs? After spending considerable time with it, I believe Toyota has created something special here. A vehicle that excels not just in one or two areas, but delivers across the board in efficiency, technology, comfort, and value. For families looking to reduce their environmental footprint without sacrificing space or capability, this represents perhaps the most compelling package on the market today. The dramatic efficiency improvements and thoughtful interior upgrades address the exact pain points previous owners identified. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming video. Leave a comment below sharing which feature of the 2025 Highlander Hybrid impressed you most. I'll see you on next video.